right, let's check in with Tyler once again from Business in Vancouver. Not the results that had been hoped for from Apple and Microsoft, Tyler.
Yeah, a bit of mixed results. I mean, some of them, they did exceed expectations in certain sectors, but we had quarterly financial results come out after markets closed yesterday. And here's the key here is Apple has a long history of under-promising and over-delivering. And I think a lot of investors were expecting the same thing to unfold yesterday when the financial results came out. And it was pretty much par for the course when it came to what Apple was hinting at. So if we take a look at the numbers, we kind of find out why Apple stocks are down about 6% today. Look, they sold 47.5 million iPhones last quarter. That's up 35% from the same period a year ago. So these are huge numbers, but the revenue forecast that the company's putting out there is between $49 and $51 billion, which it falls short by about $1 to $3 billion of what analysts were expecting. That's still a huge number. And so what we're seeing on the stock market is just a bit of a market correction from a lot of investors that were expecting even more. So revenue is still huge. It's about $10.7 billion. And that's just a massive number. What we don't have, though, are numbers for the Apple Watch. And people are keeping an eye on that because there are a lot of suspicions that it's just not doing as well as Apple is hoping. So with Microsoft, the key here is they posted their largest net loss in all of history with $3.2 billion. And when I say largest net loss, I'm talking about the quarterly financial results. What they had to do is they had a $7.8 billion write-down of Nokia. They're pretty much essentially saying that they're giving up on the smartphone market here. There's mass layoffs earlier this year with Nokia. So Microsoft is, not so well this quarter, but their loss managed to exceed expectations just a little bit in the right direction. So we're going to have Windows 10 opening soon, and there are hopes that that will spur some more sales. And Microsoft is on the right path. Their Surface tablets, the competitor for the iPad, they saw growth of 117%. So Microsoft numbers next quarter, they could be a lot more positive than what we saw just now.
Which Windows are we at now?
Windows 10.
I think we're still on Windows 2000 here at the station.
I feel you, yes.
Thank you very much, Tyler.
Thank you.
You can get more at BIV.com.